The 2011 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.